Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel. So, today we're gonna open some mystery boxes. Pretty excited, but a little apprehensive. So, these came from Lion Brand. Yeah, Lion Brand. So they had some mystery boxes. I do not know if they have them anymore. And they were $19.99 and supposed to contain 9 balls of yarn. Now, if you know anything about Lion Brand's mystery boxes, sometimes they do have been containing a yarn, which isn't extremely popular, called their limited edition. I'm calling it their unlimited edition because it seems like they never run out. And they put it in almost every mystery box. Well, I didn't buy the last mystery boxes that they have, hoping that they would, you know, run out of their limited edition. So I bought some this time. Am I optimistic that they're not going to contain their limited edition? No, I think that they will. Do I care? Not really. Now, I know a lot of you like that yarn, and that's cool, which, you know, I'm just not a huge fan of that yarn. But it's fun to see if it's going to be in it. It's just fun. It's fun in general. I like Lion Brand mystery boxes, whether they contain limited edition or not. So I did buy, how many did I buy here? Three. Now, from my experience with Lion Brand, and they actually do tell you this on the website, that if you buy more than one, more likely it'll probably contain the same yarn. Now I find that to be true the majority of the time. Sometimes they're different. Maybe, just maybe, they will be. But it doesn't bother me if they're the same either, because then you have more yarn to work with. Now with Lion Brand mystery boxes, which I said I do like, sometimes it's usually a lot of their clearance yarn that they're trying to get rid of. Nobody's buying it, so they slap it in mystery boxes. I don't care about that though. So, like I said, let's just open them up and see. Do you want to? Kind of excited. You never know what you're going to get in a mystery box. I kind of got my guesses, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll be careful with this blade. I promise. Alright, here we go. Number 1. Please, no limited edition. Please, no limited edition. Okay. I knew it. I knew it! But it's worse than what I thought. Okay. Oh, they did give me 12 balls instead of 9. These are pretty similar to the last. These are pretty much identical to the last mystery boxes that I got from them. I'm not upset though, because, you know, mystery boxes are fun. You buy yarn mystery boxes for the fun of not knowing. You don't really buy them for the yarn inside. So that's always one thing I stress when buying mystery boxes. You have to have the expectation that the yarn that you get inside, you may or may not like. And it probably will not, most mystery boxes, the yarn inside is not going to exceed the value that you paid for the yarn. In some occasions it will, and some it won't. But, you know, I buy mystery box for the fun. Now, when I bought these from Lion Brand, I'm like, it's going to be kind of, you know, I know it's probably going to contain the limited edition. Like I said, if you like it, that's fine, that's cool. To me, that's probably one of the worst yarns they've ever made. But I knew that there was a strong possibility it was going to contain it. Well, I was correct. So this is their limited edition, which I have now dubbed the unlimited edition, because they have an unlimited supply. I mean, this has been, they've been selling it for like 6 for $12, like $2 a ball, and even clearance it out at 20% off on top of that. They've been selling it, put it in mystery boxes ever since it came, and it just seems like it's not really limited. I think they need to undo that label and put the unlimited edition. You will never ever, we will never run out of this yarn. It's completely unlimited. You will always receive it in every mystery box that you get. Anyways, like I said, I'm not, if you like it, that's cool. It's just not my favorite. But you know what? The limited edition is a 4-weight acrylic yarn. Like I said, it's not my favorite. 100-gram ball, 186 yards or 170 meters. It's, you know, it is what it is. But not only did I get 3 of this pink one, they had to double down on me and give me 3 of a light gray one. So yeah, I got 6 unlimited editions. Now I was expecting 3, but not 6. Now this has actually been very common in their mystery bags as well. I'm beginning to think that this is becoming, like, it's summer nights. I'm beginning to think that they have an unlimited supply of this blue one right here, because it's been in every mystery box I've gotten for a long time. Not that I don't like it, not that I don't think it's beautiful, because it is. It's just very thin and I can't use it. I actually tried to double, or like 4 or 5 times it up and use it on my Addie to make a hat. Didn't work well for me. I think I should have caked it first and then used it, but anyways, it is the summer nights. It is a pretty yarn. They always put the blue in there for some reason. I like it, and there's nothing wrong with it. 437 yards. It's an acrylic polyester blend. It's got a nice super sparkle. And I'm not going to open these because I'll probably get, I'm going to give them away, but 400 meters, 437 yards. It's like a 2-weight, maybe even a 1-weight. It's just way too thin. I can't use those. Now, if this was thicker, say maybe a 3 or 4, I'd be right on that, because it's, like I said, it's really pretty. But there's nothing wrong with the yarn itself. But it does come often. And this was in my last mystery box. This mystery box is like identical to the one I bought several months ago, or a few months ago, I don't know. Now this, I know that they are clearancing this out. Now I like Lion Brand's Comfy Cotton. It's unfortunate because I thought it was a very nice yarn, but they're discontinuing it, I do believe. And they only have a few colors of it left, and this happens to be one of them, and like the brown, I think. I have a poncho made out of this exact color on my channel. I've always liked it. It's such a shame that they discontinued that. Anyways, it's 392 yards of a polyester 50-50 polyester cotton blend. Now they've always classified this as a lightweight number 3. I've always said that it's kind of more like a 4-weight. I think a lot of people would agree with me on that. But I like this yarn. I think this one's called Chai Latte. Yeah. And I never had a problem with it. Whenever I do like my top 10 favorite yarns, I'll do one for high ends and I'll do one for big box stores. Ever since this Comfy Cotton blend has come out, it has always made my top 10 for big box store yarns. Like I said, I find it unfortunate that they discontinued it, but maybe it wasn't selling well for them. I like it, doesn't mean everybody else does, so obviously not everybody did. So all right, now what can I expect for these two? I'm gonna expect more limited edition, 100%, the certainty that there was limited edition in this box. It's probably going to be the same one that I just got, but like I said, sometimes they're different. Not usually, but sometimes. It's always fun to know. Okay, so I I did get more limited edition. So I got three more in the light gray, but I got, instead of pink, I got 3 tan. So I actually have an entire tote of this limited edition yarn because I don't use it, that I've received from mystery boxes over the time that I bought. It's been in like every mystery box since it came out. And yeah. And then I got this again, which, like I said, is very beautiful. If it, if it was just thicker, I would use it. I find nothing wrong with their summer nights yarn other than it's just too thin for me. It's a beautiful yarn. And 3 more of these, which I like. But a 3-pack is enough for me to make a nice poncho with. What did I give me? Yeah, that's 1,200 yards. Yeah, that would make me a nice poncho. But yeah, so that one was pretty much the same, except for different colors of the limited edition. Well, will this one be the same? I see some people getting scarfy. Like, I watch people unbox Lion Brand mystery boxes. I'll get mine, and mine always, since it's come out, it always has a limited edition in it. I think that Lion Brand knows, because I reviewed it one time, and it wasn't a very good review. No, I'm just kidding. I don't buy yarn in my name. So people, small companies and big companies, do not know they're sending to Bagoday Crochet. So I'm just kidding about that. But I always get limited edition in my mystery boxes. I see some people get Scarfy once in a while. I love Scarfy. I would love to have Scarfy in my in my mystery box instead of limited edition. But you know what? I have a famous saying in my house. I say it all the time, every day to my kids. We don't always get what we want. We don't always get what we want. Oh, but if you try sometimes, you might just get what you need. Not this time though. So I got 3 more Comfy Cotton, 3 more of the brown, limited edition, 3 more of the white, unlimited edition, and 3 more of the blue Summer Nights, which is gorgeous. Oh, it's a 1 weight. I could commission this to someone to make a shawl. It would be beautiful. It would. I do like the Summer Nights. Or I could just get rid of it. Anyways, that's my mystery boxes. Was it a good time? Indeed, it always is. Even if I'm not a big fan of the yarn that's inside, it's always fun to open a mystery box. Like, that's the way mystery boxes are. Sometimes you win with them, and sometimes, you don't. That's just a gambling effect. That's just the way the gambling goes when it comes to mystery boxes. But at least I know I'm getting something. Like if I go to the boat and gamble, the casino, and I drop my money in there, I'm just losing my money. And at least if I gamble with a mystery box, I know I'm getting some yarn. So you're winning in that aspect. You got some yarn. I got some Comfy Cotton. I got 9 bowls of it. That stuff's pretty good. And I like the Summer Nights. I'm just not a huge fan of the limited edition. I'll just add it to my tote that I have. And one day I will do something with it. Maybe I'll put it on Etsy. Try to recoup some mystery box money. I don't know. Anyways, I had a good time. It's always, like I said, it's always fun. Whether the mystery boxes exceed your expectations, or whether they don't meet your expectations, or whether they're just kind of what you expected, which is this particular mystery box unboxing is just, I expected to receive most of the yarn that I received, because I don't know, Lion Brand hasn't really changed up their mystery boxes in a while. I think I'll wait till next year and to do mystery boxes for them again. Unless they put out Christmas Santa sacks. I'll probably get some of those. But I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? It's always fun. Mystery boxes are fun. Bye, guys.